Greetings to kids. Today we are going to do sandwich making activity. Do you know with this activity shape recognition will become more easy for you. So are you ready for this? Let's go. Ingredients and materials required for this: grated cabbage and carrots, breads, mixing and cutting tools, ketchup and mayonnaise. Now let's get started. First, we will cut the bread in any shape. It can be square, triangle or circle. Like right now I'm cutting square shape. Look at this. Now the second shape I'm going to cut is triangle, as we all love triangle shape. And my triangle is ready. Now the last, what we will do, we will mix grated cabbage, carrots and mayonnaise for the stuffing. So gradually mix all the ingredients, cabbage and carrot first. Now we will mix it properly. Mix, 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 mix. Now we will add mayonnaise in it to make it creamy. So I'm putting it inside the stuffing, which I'm going to make it for the sandwich. Now we will mix it properly. Mayonnaise, grated cabbage and carrot. As you can see, it is properly mixed. Now what we will do, we will apply it on the bread. Like I'm taking the square shape first. So my square sandwich is getting ready. Now we will move towards the next shape, and it is triangle. So first I'll apply it on the triangle, and then I will cover it with another triangle shaped bread. As you can see, it is properly done. Now put the triangle shape on it. Now the last one is circle. So again apply, fix it properly and cover it with the shape. So square, triangle and circle is ready. Now decoration time for square, then triangle and circle. And you can make smiley on that to make it more attractive with the delicious taste. So here are the shapes. Do it and have fun with different shape sandwich making activity. Bye.